The Inner Harmony Pathway is a guided Ayurvedic program designed to support change at the deepest level, where health, emotions, relationships, and life patterns are actually shaped. This work is based on a simple but often overlooked truth. Just as we play many roles in life, we also carry many inner expressions that have arisen through time, experience, and circumstance. Each of these inner states formed for a reason: to protect, adapt, cope, or survive, and each continues to influence how we experience our body, our health, our relationships, and the world around us. Many women come to this work focused on something specific: pain, fertility challenges, emotional overwhelm, disconnection in relationships, or physical symptoms that haven't resolved. What often becomes clear is that these experiences are not isolated problems, but expressions of deeper internal patterns. In the Inner Harmony Pathway, we work directly with these patterns. This is not psychological analysis or talk therapy. It is intuitive, embodied, Ayurvedic processes that work with awareness, vitality, and internal flow. Through guided sessions, we explore how different inner expressions show up in your body, health, emotions, energy, and patterns of response. We begin by listening to sensation, rhythm, impulse, thoughts, and subtle signals to understand how these inner states are operating. From there, I actively guide the process by creating safety in the body and mind, and by applying specific, intentional supports to these inner states. This may involve helping the system settle out of chronic vigilance, restoring internal communication, and supporting the body's natural capacity to reorganize. A unique aspect of this work is that these inner expressions are also understood through an Ayurvedic lens. Each carries distinct constitutional qualities: movement, intensity, steadiness, sensitivity. When these qualities become excessive, stagnant, or in conflict, they can directly affect digestion, hormones, pain, immunity, fertility, emotional regulation, and vitality. By bringing these inner states back into harmony, the body often responds. Women who have worked with me and walked this pathway have experienced profound changes, including resolving pain with intimacy after years of difficulty, healing deep emotional and relational disconnection with partners when other approaches had not helped, conceiving after long periods of unexplained infertility, and seeing physical conditions shift once deeper patterns were addressed. These outcomes are not forced, engineered, or promised. They arise because the system is no longer fragmented or fighting itself. It's also important to say this clearly. This work is deep, and it can be difficult to fully understand before experiencing it. Many women I've worked with initially question how inner dialogue, awareness, and guided exploration can create real physiological or behavioral change. That questioning is natural. This work doesn't rely on belief or blind faith. It relies on presence, willingness, and participation. What becomes clear through experience is that when the inner system is met with safety, clarity, and skilled guidance, meaningful and lasting change can occur. Over time, this pathway doesn't just support healing, it builds inner literacy. You learn how to recognize internal states as they arise, how to support yourself through them, and how to navigate stress, relationships, health challenges, and life transitions with greater steadiness and confidence. The Inner Harmony Pathway is about restoring coherence within. And when that coherence returns, the body and life often follow. If you're looking to address an issue that you've been dealing with and haven't been able to address otherwise, book a clarity call with me and let's see how the Inner Harmony Pathway can help you.